Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon because we discuss the market on regular basis and we are always discussing the winning analysis, the winning trades. We are always giving you the good areas of resistance and support, so you guys can easily take trades. Our psychology is as simple as possible. So do not forget to click on the bell icon and do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Okay, so now without wasting any further time, let us continue with the discussion of gold versus the US dollar from where we left off yesterday. As you guys could clearly see that on day before yesterday, market had reacted from this area of short-term resistance, and you guys can clearly see now yesterday when we were discussing the market on 13th June, we continued with our market support area, and you guys can clearly see market reacted from this our major area of support from here and from the lowest bottom area of our support. So if someone would have traded on this candle, which would have been an amazing result. This was a good bullish pin bar, and this was also a good bullish pin bar. So if you guys would have traded on these two candles as well, then these two trades would have been executed if you guys would be doing the price action strategy. And if you guys would not be following the price action and simply following our strategy of key for entries, even then you guys would have made some amazing results. Now let us check out that how much profit or loss you guys would have made yesterday on the given trades. So when we were discussing, market was trending over here. So if you guys would have, I would have preferred to stay out of the market because this was a huge candle. So I would have preferred to stay out of market on this candle and on this candle. But when I would have entered over here, then maybe I would have made a hit a stop loss, or maybe take a small take profit. Okay, so let me just figure it out. Okay, so this was also a minimalistic trade. So let us suppose that we have hit two stop losses of -2%. Okay, so then we had the chance to take a trade from here, a good positive entry from here. Our stop loss will be just below this candle, and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 6% profit. So even if we would have hit two stop losses, this single trade would have covered for both of our stop losses and would have given us a surplus of 4% profit. Okay, and then if you guys would have taken a second entry after the closing of this candle, this would trade would have given you guys a take profit of approximately 4.2%, which is once again amazing. Okay, so just these two trades would have given you guys approximately 8% profit, which is amazing. Now just wait for the market's reaction from this area. There is a good chance that market might take a reaction from this area and might go down. Okay, as market has now reacted beautifully, and now it is kind of making a double top pattern, and market might go down from here. But just be vigilant and be ready for any kind of scenario, and do not panic anywhere. Okay, so for 14th of June today, market's levels of support and resistance are going to remain same. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and I will try to get back to each and every one of you guys as much as possible. And if you guys do not understand anything, just let us know in the comments, and we will make sure that you guys have a good and successful strategy for tomorrow. So now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair, and let us see that how did market behave with us in this USD in this GBP USD pair. Okay, so when we were discussing the market yesterday, market was trending over here. So once market tested our area of resistance and gave a red candle closing, we would have taken a short position. So from here we could have taken a short position. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 4.8% profit. Then afterwards market gave us another opportunity to take a sell entry over here, but this trade would have given us a stop loss in the next candle. And even if we would have taken a buying position, very small candles were executed even from here as well if we would have taken a small entry. So let me take these small entries for you guys. So the concept is cleared. If you guys would have taken a long position, because this was a because we were bullish on this pair tomorrow. So if you guys would have taken an entry over here, you guys would have made a 0.4% profit. And if you guys would have taken an entry over here you guys would have hit a stop loss. And over here, let us see that how much profit would you guys have made or loss. So over here you guys would have made only 0.5 or 0.6% profit. So not really good profits in these trades, except for this one trade that we took in the beginning, so -2%. So overall we are still in the profitable scenarios. And if you guys would have traded from this zone with a sell position, then you guys would have taken a made some good profit. And right now market is reacting to from our major area of support. You guys have to stay vigilant and to take a buying position when a good buying candle is made, something like this. Okay, so the area of resistance and supports are going to remain same. So now let us just simply move forward these scenarios. And if you guys have any questions, just let us know in the comment section, and we will make sure to get back to each and every one of you guys as much as possible and as quickly as possible. Oh, okay, just wait a second. Okay, so now let us move forward these scenarios from here. Okay, so that's all for the GBP USD pair. Let us move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro versus USD pair. And you guys can clearly see that we have broken past our major area of support as well, and now we are at a lower level of support. So for today we are going to make the new areas of resistance and support. But first of all, let us see how much profit or loss we would have made. As you guys can clearly see, from this support area, market did not give us any opportunity to buy, but from here market gave us an opportunity to take a risky sell, and from here as well. So these two trades would have given us a very good profit. So let us see how much profit we would have made from this entry. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 3.1% profit. And then another entry was available over here. This was a safety sell, and this was a huge return. Okay, so this trade would have given us a 12.4% return, which is amazing. Okay, so now let us go to the 4 hours chart and figure out the next best area of support. As you guys can clearly see that market has now closed much lower, and now market has respected this is reacting from this area, this major area of support. So now we will move our areas of support and resistances downwards. So something like this, market is reacting from this area, as you guys can clearly see over here. And now the minor area of support will also be changed. Okay, so this will be the latest area of resistance from where I am expecting the market might touch and go down further. Okay, and now the area of resistance, this will be now, yes, somewhere around here. This will be now this area will now be acting as an area of resistance. Okay, and this will be our short term area of resistance. Okay, so now let us go back to the 1 hour chart and write down the new areas of resistance and support. So the new area of resistance is 1.0797, and the major area of resistance is 1.0815815. The major area of support is 1.0698, 1.0698, and the major area of support is 1.0676. Okay, so that's all for today. Let us move forward these scenarios of Euro versus USD. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can just let us know in the comment section, and you guys do not have to worry about anything else. Okay, so this is the area. Yes, we can move it one step back. Yes, market is currently over here. So let me adjust these areas a little bit for you guys, so you guys can easily take trades. Okay, so that's all. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to click the like and subscribe button so you guys can continue to make good profits with us on a regular basis. So I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.